What's up guys, welcome back to another Pokemon opening. I'm here with my mom and we're going to be opening up these Mimikyu and Alcremie EX collection boxes. We're each going to open one of these and hopefully we pull a banger out of one of these boxes. Banger. We got the collection boxes open, 2 giant Mimikyu cards, 2 stamped Mimikyu EXs and 2 stamped Alcremie EXs. And the pack lineup in this collection box, you get 2 Mega Evolutions, 2 Destined Rivals, 2 Journey Together, 2 Surging Sparks, and then 2 Twilight Masquerades. I will be going first so that my mom can prepare her packs, and let's pull a banger. Alright, if you guys are new here, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Hopefully we get a great card today. Alright, next pack is Twilight.
What do you have?
Twilight Mask.
Who is this, Abby? It's mine.
Let's go, guys. I love this card. I freaking love this card. Oh my god. Oh. Keep dropping. Guys, this card is gorgeous. Oh my god, I love this card. I'm not done yet. You go after me, right?
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing? Okay, can we get the Pikachu?
The Pikachu is here. You see on the top?
No, they can't see it, but you can grab it down if you want to show them.
Special helper.
Yeah, our special helper for today's video is Pikachu. Alright, next Surging Sparks pack. Let's go.
Here's something.
Nothing.
Wow.
Alright, on to Journey Together. Let's see, chase card, Salamence for sure. Would love to see that.
What do they call him? Salamence?
That's his name. He's like a dragon Pokemon.
Oh.
Alright, another Journey. This is cute. I love cute cards. Making me hungry.
I tell you, eat before you start it.
I don't listen.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, Destined Rivals. Cynthia's Garchomp, please. Could you imagine?
I'm so excited.
What are you excited
For the cards.
So my only hit has been the Eevee. I'll take that, but that kind of sucks out of...
Oh, one more Eevee.
5. One more Eevee. Unfortunately, maybe from you, but not from my packs.
That's all.
Nothing from Destined Rivals.
Yeah, I know there's no reliable something. They do something wrong. What they do?
On to Mega Evolution. Would love the Bulbasaur line and the Lucario SIR. Oh, is the Steelix in this set, right? Yeah, I'd love the Steelix too. Very cool card. Alright, y'all, my last pack. Wish me luck, please. Last pack magic for me. And then it is my mom's turn to open up her stack of packs. Let's go.
Really?
I pulled this guy like 4 times. We got this one the last time we opened Mega Evolution together.
Yes.
And you said, is that Pikachu? Alright. Okay, y'all, it's my mom's turn. Wish her luck.
Yes, good luck to you. It's so sleepy.
Come on, pull a banger.
Banger? It's not banger here. There's some shiny. I see some shiny.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's not even telling you guys what sets.
No, I just meant. What? Don't make me nervous again like always. I lost some.
Team Rocket's Archer. I saw the texture and I was like, please. I will take it. We'll take it.
You have to. It's now it's here.
Are you opening Mega Evolution? Come on. Dang.
No idea. I just take a pen.
They got it.
Good. Okay, you wanna know masquerade with that. Next.
Twilight Masquerade.
Next time you handed me in the hand.
Cards
Don't
are
do this
falling.
to me.
Oof, nothing.
Oof, nothing. I see something shiny. Mega Evolution. I see something shiny.
Come on, Mom, it's a banger.
Okay. It's come, let's come. Where is this camera?
No.
You have this gun shoe?
If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say.
You say nothing? Oh man, I'll make you be quiet one time.
Let's go!
Who is this?
That's Hop.
Santa Rock. Some.
This is Hopzation EX, and I would appreciate it if you don't throw my cards on the table like that. Thank you very much.
First of all, I am opening in mine card. Okay?
And I own a volleyball.
Balibo.
Guys, please help. Send help.
Send help. Who like who? Abby?
Surprised she's been so quiet. Usually she's barking.
She eats so much turkey.
Rabska EX. Not too close to the camera, you're gonna make people sick.
Both sick.
Is that your last pack? Y'all, she saved Surging Sparks for last, so we better pull that Pikachu.
I'm doing mixed match, okay? I'm surprised. Dang. Queen to drop the car.
I have no idea what you just said.
Me neither.
Is this your last pack? You didn't say last pack magic.
Let's back magic.
We got Kevin Durant.
Who's Kevin? Kevin? You say Kevin Durant? Yeah.
Do you
Are
know,
you happy now?
do you know who Kevin Durant is?
No.
Well, you just pulled him. Alright guys, was that it?
Yes, there's a lot of mess.
Yeah, once again,
Lots of mess.
mess. Okay.
No Pikachu.
No Pikachu. Unfortunately, no Pikachu. We have yet to pull a really cool Pikachu. Thank you guys again for watching. We really appreciate it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and then yeah, we'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.